He's a spokesperson of the BJP here.
Yeah, I'm Krishna Sagar Rao, the spokesperson of BJP. Now, Prakash Raj, you're a good actor. There's no question about it.
Thank you.
See, BJP per se doesn't come down heavily on who to speak, what to speak, where to speak, how to speak. But the question is, when you're saying they and us, you're dividing already. And then the fringe you're talking about, or the masses who might not be as educated as you are, as elite as you are, as smooth as you are, but they also have a right to protest. Democracy is about protest. It's about dissent. So when you speak, it's freedom of speech. When they speak, it is fringe. And when Durga...
They are talking...
No, 1 minute, brother.
Complete your question.
Let me question.
You please complete it.
Yes.
And
yes.
please have the patience when I answer.
Of course, I'll hear you. I've been hearing you uninterrupted till you said Modi ji and Amit Shah are not Hindus. Then only I rose. Okay. Now, Mr. Maker of Durga, we didn't have a problem. BJP didn't say anything about it. But what are your posters saying? He says that it has nothing to do with Hinduism. Why is Goddess Durga on the posters then? So what is the plan?
Okay,
Where
so you had an opportunity to ask a question, Mr. Rao. Now, if we can take
so
the
my question simply is, when it is stand up and speak up for left-leaning and the ultra-left.
Excuse me, one question.
Where is... Come on, man, let me complete the question. When speak up, rise up, stand up, speak up on this panel is left, ultra-left, center-left, and the left itself. Now, why is that there is no right to speak up, stand up, and rise up?
And that's why we've given you the
Why
opportunity
is that we don't
to
have
stand up
why is that we don't have a space here?
Okay.
We are ruling 73% of this country.
Okay, which is why we
It's
gave you the
unbelievable.
opportunity
See, the
to
country
stand
has been
up.
unfair.
It's a too long a question.
Party.
Okay, now in
Can
the
I answer?
interest
Prakash
of
Raj, you can answer.
I'll
fairness,
answer.
you
There
had
are
a
around
chance
10
to ask a
questions.
question.
There are around 10 questions in yours. So let me answer all of them. You can call me anti-Hindu, that I am not a Hindu, whoever it is. So I have the right to call them. Wait.
Now we can't continue like
Now
this.
you
I've
can't
given you an
continue.
opportunity. This is not a TV debate. I'm sorry. You will have to listen. No, 1 second. Okay, this is where I call it, this is where I'm drawing a line, Mr. Rao. One more comment from you, I'm going to request you to leave because this is not the way we intend this interaction to happen. You are offended. I gave you an opportunity to ask a question. In the interest of fair play, I gave you the opportunity to ask a question. This is not somewhere you can come in and interrupt. You had an opportunity to ask a question. Now allow them to listen. Please don't say anything else. Yes.
We are basically talking about right to answer. We are talking about, we said no right is allowed. Anyway, we are talking about fringe groups, they are uneducated group, and they do it. See, there are around 6 to 7 of your state governments where the Supreme Court says Padmavati should be played. And the fringe elements say it should not be played. And you, the ruling party, support them by saying we will ban the film. Instead of saying it, by the very fact that you're supporting, aren't you against us? Aren't you against the freedom of speech? Aren't you? When I say, Mr. Modi ji, when Modi ji says that when Gauri Lankesh, my friend, was killed, this whole thing started with a simple question that I saw celebrations about the killing. I never said who killed. I never pointed fingers at who killed. I said people are celebrating and this is violence, this is not right for the society. And the people who are celebrating are following. And the Prime Minister of my country is following these people. Why is he silent? Why is he saying, don't celebrate it so that he gives me a secular feeling in this country? His silence, he may think it is silence, but it speaks, sir.
Kancha Alaiya also wants to come in because
it speaks, sir.
Is the left...
That's what I'm worried about. So what I say is, a true Hindu will not support such activities. A true Hindu, my Prime Minister should ask his minister, an elected, mandated minister, not to say a religion should be wiped out from this earth. That is not Hinduism, sir. And if my Prime Minister does not ask his minister to shut up, then I'm asking my Prime Minister, you're also not a Hindu. I have a genuine, straight question, sir. I am not looking at my Prime Minister as comes from a party. He is, whether I have voted for him or if I have not voted for him, he is still my Prime Minister. I have the right to ask him a question.